Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage Siri with using your speaker SONY SRS XB100. To use the Siri, first of all, make sure that your speaker connected to your device. It connected, cool. And now you should press and hold for 3 seconds play pause button. Hi Siri, how are you?
I feel good. Thanks for asking.
That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!